Good morning, students. I am teacher Jessica.
สวัสดีค่ะเด็กๆ ครูโดนัทนะคะ
And welcome to reading and writing class. Before we start, please prepare the following: your R&W notebook, your pencil, and your colored pencils. If you are ready, let's begin. Today, our lesson is still about zoo animals. At the end of this lesson, the students will be able to identify animals by their sounds. Complete the sentences to describe zoo animals. And read a zoo advertisement and respond to follow-up questions.
ค่ะเด็กๆ วันนี้นะคะเราจะเรียนต่อกันเรื่องของสัตว์ในสวนสัตว์ค่ะผลการเรียนรู้ข้อที่ 1 เด็กๆจะต้องสามารถระบุสัตว์แต่ละชนิดด้วยเสียงของพวกมัน ข้อ 2 เติมประโยคให้สมบูรณ์เพื่ออธิบายสัตว์ในสวนสัตว์ ข้อ 3 อ่านโฆษณาสวนสัตว์และตอบคำถามเพื่อติดตามผลค่ะ
Let's start. Last week, we already discussed the meaning of zoo. Now, in your own words, can you tell me the meaning or the definition of zoo? What is a zoo? Great job! A zoo is a place where we can see many kinds of animals. That's right. And also last week, we discussed and identified some animals that we can find in the zoo. Do you remember the 6 zoo animals? Great job! But this time, as a review, we are going to identify the zoo animals by the sounds they make. I want you to listen to the sound and identify the animal. Are you ready? Let's begin. Who's hiding? Zoo animals. Number 1. Who's hiding behind a tree? Listen to the sound. What is your answer? That's right. It's an elephant. Elephant. Next. Who's hiding behind the grass? Listen to the sound. What is your answer? Very good. It's a horse. Horse. Next. Who's hiding behind the rocks? Listen to the sound. What is your answer? Great job. It's a snake. Snake. Next. Who's hiding behind the tree? Listen to the sound. What is your answer? Very good. It's a monkey. Monkey. Next. Who's hiding behind the rocks? Listen to the sound. What is your answer? Great job. It's a giraffe. Giraffe. Next. Who's hiding behind the bush? Listen to the sound. What is your answer? Very good. It's a lion. Lion. Well done, students. Now let's describe the animals. To describe means to give some details or to tell something about a certain object or an animal. There are many ways to describe animals, but in this lesson, we will discuss and use 3 ways. Are you ready? Number 1, animal name. In order for us to describe the animals, we have to know the name of the animal. We should know them by name. For example, horse, monkey, lion, snake, giraffe, elephant. It's an elephant. It's a giraffe. It's a horse. It's a snake. Do you understand? Next, number 2. Animal movement. Animal movement. It is the method that animals use to move from one place to another. Like for example, me as a person, what do I do in order for me to move from this place going to this place? That's right. I can walk. I can run. Now let's talk about these 5 movements. Number 1, run. Can you think of animals that can run? That's right. A lion. A lion can run. Number 2, walk. Can you think of animals that can walk? There are lots of animals that can walk. A dog can walk. A cat can walk. An elephant can walk. Number 3, climb. Climb. Climb means to go up by using the feet or sometimes the hand. Can you think of animals that can climb trees? Very good. A monkey. Number 4, swing. Swing. It is when animals move by hanging underneath branches using their arms. They are moving from tree to tree. Can you think of some animals that can swing? Great job! A monkey. A monkey can swing. And number 5, slither. Slither. Slither is moving smoothly from side to side. Can you think of some animals that can slither? Great job! A snake. A snake can slither. Well done, students. Next, number 3, animal size. Animal size can be big or small, just like this one. A giraffe is a big animal, and a monkey is a small animal. Big and small. Do you understand the 3 ways? Animal name, animal movement, and animal size. Now let's complete this chart. Animal name, animal movement, and animal size. For the animal name, we have horse. Can you tell me the movement? Very good. Run and walk. What about the size? Big or small? That's right. Big. Lion. What is the movement? Run and walk. What is the size? Big. Very good. Elephant. What is the movement? Run or walk. That's right. And what is the size? Big. Very good. Giraffe. Giraffe. That's right. Run and walk. And it's a big animal. Snake. What is the movement of a snake? That's right. Slither. Slither. And it's a small animal. Monkey. Can you tell me the movement of a monkey? Great job. A monkey can climb and can swing. Climb and swing. What is the size? Small. Very good. But please be reminded that snake and monkey can also be big in size. You can see big snakes and big monkeys. Do you understand? Very good. Now let's try to make some sentences to describe some animals. Are you ready? Let's describe this animal, this lion. We are going to use it to describe animals. I-T, it. Can you help me? Can you make some sentences to describe lion? That's right. It is a lion. It can run. It is a big animal. This is the animal name. This is the movement. And this is the size. Next. Can you describe this animal? Very good. It is a giraffe. It can walk. It is a big animal. You can also add some description. For example, it has a long neck. It has 4 legs. Next, can you describe this animal? Very good. It is a snake. It can slither. It is a small animal. Next, can you describe this animal? Very good. It is a monkey. It can climb trees. It eats bananas. It is a small animal. Well done, students. And now let's read the vocabulary words about zoo animals. Elephant,
ช้าง
monkey,
ลิง
giraffe,
ยีราฟ
snake,
งู
horse,
ม้า
lion,
สิงโต
run,
วิ่ง
walk,
เดิน
climb,
ปีน
slither,
เลื้อย
swing.
แกว่งไกว
Let's do it again. Elephant,
ช้าง
monkey,
ลิง
giraffe,
ยีราฟ
snake,
งู
horse,
ม้า
lion,
สิงโต
run,
วิ่ง
walk,
เดิน
climb,
ปีน
slither,
เลื้อย
swing.
แกว่งไกว
Very good. And now let's practice. Find the correct animal. We are going to read some descriptions here and we will find the correct animal that is being described. Are you ready? Let's read the descriptions now. It can walk and run. It is a big animal. What is your guess? Is it an elephant? A lion? A giraffe? Alright, I will give you two choices. I want you to find the correct animal. A. B. What is your answer? It can walk and run. It is a big animal. That's right. The answer is letter B, lion. These are the descriptions of a lion. Next. It can walk. It can also swing and climb trees. A. B. What is your answer? Very good. The answer is letter A, monkey. Next. It can fly. It is a small animal. It can talk. A. B. What is your answer? Good job. The answer is letter A, a parrot. It can fly. It is a small animal and it can talk. A butterfly can fly as well. It is a small animal, but it cannot talk. That's why the correct answer is letter A, parrot. Next, find the correct animal. It can jump. It is a small animal. It eats vegetables. A or B? What is your answer? Very good. The answer is letter A, rabbit. A frog can also jump. A frog is also a small animal, but a frog eats insect, not vegetables. A rabbit eats vegetables. That's why the answer here is letter A, rabbit. Now let's complete the sentences. Look at this animal and look at the descriptions. What is the correct word to complete sentence 1? I can see and blank. What is your answer? Very good. Elephant. It's the animal name. I can see an elephant. Next. It can blank. This is the movement. You have to write here the correct movement. Very good. It can walk. We can also say it can run. Next, it's a blank animal. This is the size. Big or small? Very good. It's a big animal. Let's read the sentences now. I can see an elephant. It can walk. It's a big animal. Please be reminded to use the correct articles, a or an. We use an if the first letter of the word is a vowel, a, e, I, o, u. For example, elephant. Elephant starts with letter E. That's why we have to use article an. An elephant. How about lion? L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion starts with letter L. It's a consonant. If the word starts with a consonant, we have to use article a or a. A lion. An elephant. A lion. Do you understand? Very good. Next. I can see a blank. What is your answer? Very good. Horse. I can see a horse. It can blank. What is the movement? That's right. It can walk. It's a blank animal. Very good. It's a big animal. Well done, students. To describe animal movements, we can also use the word fly, swim, or jump. It can jump. It can fly. It can swim. It can run. It can walk. It can climb trees. It can slither. Do you understand? Very good. Now let's read. Let us read again the zoo advertisement. But before that, let us read these words. Repeat after me. Come. Amazing. Animals. Ride. See. Horses. Hour. Tickets. Also. Bring. Shop. Cafe. Welcome. Very good. Now let's read the advertisement. Welcome to the zoo. Come to the zoo and see our amazing animals. We have lions, elephants, and giraffes. You can ride horses too. We have a shop and a cafe. You can also bring a picnic. Tickets, 50 baht. Opening times, 9:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. Telephone, 02-282-7132. Now let's answer some questions. What amazing animals can you see in the zoo? That's right. There are lots of animals in the zoo, but it mentioned here lions, elephants, giraffes, and horses. At what time can you visit the zoo? Can you tell me the opening times? That's right. We can visit the zoo from 9:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. In other words, we can go to the zoo from 9:30 in the morning until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Can you go to the zoo at 2 o'clock p.m.? Yes or no? That's right. The answer is yes. The zoo is still open at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we can still go there. What can you bring? Very good. We can also bring a picnic. And how much does each ticket cost? Very good. Each ticket costs 50 baht. Very good, students. And now get your RNW notebook, your pencil, and your colored pencils for your activity. In your notebook, please write the date today. Today is Monday, 22nd November 2021. Please copy the instruction. Draw one zoo animal. Copy and complete the sentences. All you have to do is draw one big box in your notebook. And inside the big box, you have to draw one zoo animal. You can draw any animal that you like. You can draw animals that can jump, animals that can fly, animals that can swim, animals that can run, or animals that can slither or walk. You have the freedom to choose. And you have to complete these 3 sentences. I can see a blank. It can blank. It is a blank animal. Let's look at these examples. What can you see here? That's right, it's a snake. You have to complete these 3 sentences. I can see a snake. You have to write the animal name here. For the second sentence, it can blank. What is the movement? Run, walk, jump, fly, or slither? That's right. It can slither. And for the third sentence, it is a blank animal. You have to write the size of the animal. Is it big or small? It is a small animal. I will read the sentences again. I can see a snake. It can slither. It is a small animal. Let's look at the second example. What is this? That's right. I can see an elephant. It can walk and run. It is a big animal. Let's look at the third example. What is this? That's right, it's a bird. I can see a bird. It can fly. It is a small animal. Do you understand, students?
ค่ะเด็กๆ ถึงเวลาทำภาระงานนะคะ ภาระงานวันนี้ให้เด็กๆนำสมุดวิชา R&W ขึ้นมาค่ะ เตรียมดินสอและสีขึ้นมาด้วยนะคะ ขึ้นหน้าใหม่เลยค่ะ เริ่มจากการเขียนวันที่นะคะ เมื่อเด็กๆเขียนวันที่เสร็จแล้ว เขียนคำสั่งลงไปด้วยนะคะคำสั่งวันนี้ก็คือ ให้นักเรียนวาดรูปสัตว์ในสวนสัตว์มาคนละ1ชนิดนะคะวาดแค่ตัวเดียวพอนะคะวาดรูปเสร็จแล้วก็ให้เขียนข้อความประโยคลงไปด้วยนะคะโดยตรงที่เป็นช่องว่างค่ะให้เด็กๆเติมคำลงไปด้วยนะประโยคแรกให้เด็กๆใส่ชนิดของสัตว์นะคะอย่างเช่นถ้าหนูวาดรูปช้างหนูก็เขียนคำศัพท์คำว่าช้างภาษาอังกฤษลงไปค่ะอันที่สองก็คือการเคลื่อนไหวของสัตว์ชนิดนั้นนะคะหนูวาดอะไรหนูก็เขียนการเคลื่อนไหวของมันนะคะว่ามันสามารถเดินสามารถวิ่งสามารถแกว่งไกวหรือสามารถเลื้อยได้นะคะอันที่สามก็คือให้เด็กๆเขียนขนาดของมันค่ะโดยคุณครูจะกำหนดให้เด็กๆเลือกเพียงอย่างเดียวนะคะระหว่างเล็กกับใหญ่ค่ะอันนี้จะเป็นตัวอย่างนะคะตัวอย่างที่1ก็คืองูค่ะในงูนี้นะคะเห็นไหมคะว่าประโยคแรกคุณครูเขียนคำศัพท์ที่แปลว่างูส่วนอันที่2ก็คือการเคลื่อนไหวของมันนั่นก็คือเลื้อยนะคะส่วนอันที่3คือขนาดของมันคือมันเป็นสัตว์ที่มีขนาดตัวเล็กนะคะตัวอย่างที่2นะคะก็คือช้างค่ะช้างนะคะการเคลื่อนไหวของมันก็คือมันสามารถเดินและวิ่งนะคะส่วนขนาดของมันก็คือมันเป็นสัตว์ตัวใหญ่นะคะและตัวอย่างที่3ก็คือนกค่ะการเคลื่อนไหวของนกก็คือมันสามารถบินได้นะคะ ส่วนขนาดของมันก็คือ มันเป็นสัตว์ที่มีขนาดตัวเล็กนั่นเองนะคะ ใครทำเสร็จแล้ว อย่าลืมระบายสีด้วยนะคะ ก่อนถ่ายรูปส่งมา ให้เด็กๆสังเกตประโยคที่เขียนให้ดีนะคะ ว่าหนูเขียนถูกต้องไหมนะคะ ถ้าหนูทำถูกต้องหนูก็จะได้คะแนนเต็มค่ะ
And that ends our class for this week about zoo animals.
ค่ะก็จบกันแล้วนะคะสำหรับคลิปวิดีโอเรื่องสัตว์ในสวนสัตว์ ไปแล้วค่ะ
Goodbye!